Hi guys, Lincoln here with hostlincoln.org, and today is the 20th day of our affiliate marketing challenge. And as you know, I'm documenting everything I'm doing and still no sales. So one of the points I want to highlight is I watch a ton of YouTube videos and I'm making a documentation out of what I've learned, and I have courses which I learn from and still no freaking sales. Okay, so on that note, I will build a funnel. Of course, I haven't done that yet. What I talked to you yesterday, the link will be in the description below. And what I want you to do actually is do not give up, because the free method doesn't work that quickly for anyone. And if you are lucky to make any sales in your first 30 days, then you're a monster, man. And anyhow, I've already launched my course and it is available on my channel. If you want, just click on playlist and you'll have access to my course, entrepreneurship course. And on that note, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, because I'm uploading every day. So what next? Yeah, what I did today is I done a video on Organifi. I will talk about this a little bit now. So just as proof to you, no sales yet, and I will actually change this account. Maybe I'm not getting sales because I'm showing you a lot of things. So as from the day 2025, I will change my Clickbank account because I'm not making any sales, and we will do that soon. So yeah, Organifi. So you just go click on health and fitness, and it's just right here. Organifi having a good gravity of people, and what I did is I went on Organifi.com and wanted to know where the traffic comes from. And this is SimilarWeb. If you want to know which traffic source your competitors are using, you can use it for free. I just plugged in Organifi.com, and this is what I could pull out of this. So it has a good ranking and extremely good total average visits per day. And our main focus, our main target traffic countries is the United States, and where we have like 50%, and it's spread all across others, but our main focus is the US. And they are coming from a lot of other what's happening? Yeah, a lot of other websites, and from those they are coming to Organifi. Let's just check this website. Juice with Okay, he's making you grab. You have to grab this book, and then you have an email that you can use. Wait, that's Organifi.com. So anyhow, these are where the traffic are coming from. You can explore more on that. But what I want to show you actually is YouTube. This is where the traffic are coming from, and it's like 3%, but anyhow, YouTube is the best traffic you can use, and 3% of this traffic is great traffic. If you make 1,000 people that clicks on your link per day, you make 1% sale per day, and you're a rich man. But what I want to show you actually is YouTube is really great to get traffic, and 3% are from social, 9% is traffic from search, organic search, Organify. So let's just check out Organify. How is it doing? What is it has some volume, Organify, and this is a great product. I'm promoting that actually, and you can go on Organify.com/affiliate. You can just go and search for it on your Clickbank account. Click on that, you'll have Organify, and you just register and you'll have access to a lot of things you can use to promote. But my own way I will promote those things, or I will do one video per day on different topics, and I will grab their emails and do the promotion they on. So this is my channel. I will do a lot of it, and a lot of free, like the same free stuff, or like rotating free stuff. I showed you yesterday where you can get that on Fiverr, and I will show you in the next like 2 days or 3 days how to make a funnel with Builderall, and how you can grab those emails so you can promote from that. So you see, affiliate marketing is not that easy. It's not that super easy, and of course if you're using free methods, it will take you a lot of time to start making money, but you have to keep at it. Do not get discouraged. And tip of the day, making sales is hard, so keep at it and you will make it. I know that you will make it. On that note, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and if you have not seen my course again, just check it out. It's on my channel. Just click on playlist and you have my entrepreneurship course. So, thanks.